G'day friends. Yes, that's an iceberg. Yeah, I'm in a kayak and we're in Valdez. And I'm gonna show you all the best spots while we're here. I'm gonna go four-wheel driving, take some photos of some bears and some wildlife. A lot more paddling around icebergs. And we might even go see if we can find some ice caves up a little further. I'm so excited to be here. Even the drive into Valdez was, it's absolutely incredible. Just driving back into town, and on the side of the road, on the other side of this little grass field here, there's a little black bear just kind of like hiding in this little stream. She's just pulling salmon out as he goes. So I'm just gonna sit here and wait and just let him come on back out and get some photo and some video and just hang out and watch this guy eat. Might even grab some snacks myself. Right, so I've woken up and it's a little bit wet and it's really coming down, so I'm gonna go do some admin. Why is there so much traffic? Let me get in the truck. Right, sorry about that. I'm gonna go do some admin, maybe do some washing, maybe have a shower, and then hopefully this afternoon it's supposed to clear up a little bit. So I'm gonna head down to the hatchery, take some photos. Hopefully we get some moody light, whatnot. Hopefully this fog kind of clears up a bit. But yeah, let's get to that. I'm gonna go do some admin stuff. I'll see you in a bit. It has rained non-stop for the last 2 days, so I haven't really bothered with filming anything or doing anything like that. I just sorted the truck out, hung out, did some editing. But yeah, I need to go out and shoot again, so we're back down at the weir. We got some really cool footage last time we were here. It's best when it's high tide or the going out tide. So we come back down at high tide and the fog is so thick that you can't see anything else. So I'm gonna aim for some real minimalist sort of shots and footage today. And then honestly, it's not supposed to get any better in the next 10 days here. So I'm thinking we drive into the Alpine and see if it's snowing or just see if there's moodiness up there. And if not, we just fucking bounce and go to Anchorage and then get wet there because I'm wet to the core. So let's go out and take some more photos, shall we? Fucking hell. It is just fucking chaos down here again. But you just can't see as much this time. So kind of focused on getting some minimalist shots. You probably can't hear me over the birds because they're just going crazy. There's dead fish all over the ground. It is carnage. I'm just wandering down the beach. I want to get a different angle of all of the sea lions or whatever they are. Look at the fish just like, they get spooked and they freak out and they just like rush in whatever direction they think they're supposed to go. It's kind of wild. Alright. I think I'm gonna hang down here for, basically gonna wait till the tide drops off a little bit, unless the rain picks up again. But ideally want to watch the tide drop off, and then hopefully a couple bears will come out and just kind of like scavenge around the shoreline. That's what happened yesterday. That's what happened a couple days ago. So fingers crossed it's the same thing. And then we might leave the coastline and go up into the mountains because I'm just sick of being wet. Yeah, pretty much. And I can't see anything. Like, that's what we're looking at. Fuck all. Apart from just getting wetter and get off and getting all my gear wet, I'm not really getting any kind of new neat shots. So I think I'm gonna call it and let's go drive through the mountains up back through Thompson Pass. We went through it there when it was beautiful and sunny, so let's go check it out when it's moody, and then let's get the fuck out of here and end this week's episode high in the Alpine and then camp somewhere where it's dry. Alright, let's go for a drive, shall we? We're just driving through Keystone Canyon now, headed all the way back up to Thompson Pass, and just look. That's like from my driver's side window, Bridal Veil Falls, or that horseshoe, I don't know, Horseshoe Falls. You literally, these waterfalls are like dropping out of the sky. They're insane. I didn't pay attention to half the things or I just didn't see them. There was no signs coming in about all the different features coming through this pass. And like, look at this. Just a massive cave that's covered in graffiti. That's fucking gross. You're one of those people that does this, feel free to unsubscribe right now. Go hit that button, unsubscribe, and politely go fuck yourself, because it's one of the worst things you can do. And it just kills me when I see something that could be so beautiful, that is so beautiful, that's just fucking destroyed by idiots with a spray can or a knife carving into a rock. Anyway, enough negativity. Let's get back on the road. God, look how good that truck looks. Just nice and dirty. A little home-built camper. Fucking leaks. A dirty ass bike and a kayak. Just all the things you need to have fun with on the road. I mean, you can have fun doing anything, but I particularly like those sports. So, but yeah, let's keep driving. That is where we camped the other night. Right out there. How cool is that? That's so cool. What a spot. Although I've just pumped my tyres up, so I'm not driving back out there. Even though it seems a lot nicer there without the mosquitoes. I couldn't film anything because there was literally mosquitoes on the camera. It was fucking carnage. But it's really nice out here right now. Yeah. So, as you can probably guess, it started raining. just stopped for a minute and I've jumped out of the camper because it is completely full of bugs. All the mosquitoes have trying to avoid the rain and found their way through the tailgate of the truck camper and up into the tent. And I'm just getting mold in there. So I'm probably gonna sleep in the cab, and then tomorrow just find somewhere with good weather. Yep. Hope you guys enjoyed the fun and games, and it's probably gonna be the same next week, so I'll see you then.